Hi everyone! In this video, I will be walking you through how to download the free AROMS app and troubleshoot a common problem people run into when logging into the app for the first time. To get started, we're going to visit the App Store and search AROMS Advancing OMS. Once you've had a chance to view all the lectures, play around with the flashcards, and use the search feature, we would love it if you could leave us a 5-star review. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to enter your email to get started. And this is where some people run into an issue. So for example, this email is not recognized by the app, and that is because I have not first enrolled on the website. So if this happens to you, no worries. Simply go to our website, www.goaroms.com, and fill out the Enroll Intake form. So once you've done that with an email address, you will be able to come back to the app, use that to log in, and you'll be able to get inside to view the lectures and all the content. If you're still running into issues, please leave us an email at info@goaroms.com or click on the support tab on the website and we will be in touch with you as soon as we can. We hope you enjoy using the free AROMS app and that it makes taking OMFS on the go simple and streamlined.